Cosmos. Color. Formulations. Formula 1. 1 part Chi Shine Shades 4N, 3 parts Chi Shine Shades 4CM, 4 parts Chi Color Generator 10 volume. Formula 2. 1 part Chi Infra High Lift RO, 1 part Chi Color Generator 20 volume. Formula 3. 1 part Chi Infra High Lift CB, 1 part Chi Color Generator 20 volume. Formula 4. Chroma Shine Pink, 1 ounce Pearl White, 1 drop Dangerously Red. Step 1. Apply Root Shade Formula 1 to the root area throughout the entire head. Step 2. Create a triangle section on the side of the head above the ear. Then split the triangle into 2 sections. Step 3. Take a diagonal backwards part on the left side of the triangle and apply Formula 2 and 3. Step 4. Take diagonal forwards part on the right side of the triangle and apply Formula 3 and 2. Step 5. Then create a horizontal section directly above the triangle and apply Formula 4. Step 6. Repeat Step 2 and 3 on the opposite side of the head. Then mirror the technique from Step 4 and allow to process. Style as desired.